If you send estimates to clients, you better be doing it this easily because the software that we use to do this makes it so simple. Let me show you. So one of the reasons why I especially love using this tool is because it's made for home service professionals and it's super simple to edit the template with your own logo and business information and all that stuff. Breaks down the price cost, makes it seem a lot more transparent, and it includes a signature feature to be able to send to your client so that they sign it, you sign it, the deal is done, and it's stored digitally. This is what an invoice looks like. You can put your logo here, your customer's information, pricing for the service and any cost associated. Add a discount if you want to right there, amount due. Now, I'm not a lawyer, so I put payment terms. You can put what terms you want to be paid, the terms of service and any legal jargon and policies and protections that you have down at the very bottom. It then creates these fields that you as the business owner can sign and date as an e-sign, and then you can send it over to your client where they're able to sign and date. And then when this gets kicked back to you, you can actually download this as a PDF or save this as a draft if you're editing it again. But this is a great way to not have to digitally or store this on a hard copy, but keep it on a digital file. If you'd like to try our estimate creator, you can use our 14-day trial to try this tool out yourself, see how it helps and how easy it is to use. In this guide, you're going to see down at the very bottom there is a form you can fill out, hit submit, and we will send you over your access.